So, I think I've been sort of creating very negative experiences over the past 2 years. And I feel like I'm in a season shift right now and I want to lean into it. Um, so my divorce of 2 years, my long, long divorce of 2 years is finally supposed to be ending as of, in the next month.
Okay.
And I'm in a job that I feel there's a shift going on to career-wise. I'm very eager to have, a bigger role. And in both of these situations, I'm not using my voice at all or very minimally. And I also feel that I'm blocking myself from financial sort of being taken care of, which that I'm just like, no, everything has to be hard. It has to be hard. I can't let go of hard scenarios. I can't be in a good place where I'm taken care of by my profession, by, the universe, by personal relationships, anything. So I need to work on breaking some of the stuff that's connecting me to these beliefs.
Okay. So what happens if what would happen if the universe took care of you and you didn't have to work hard?
I immediately would feel guilty. But in reality, what I believe that I would feel would be incredibly joyful and incredibly abundant and just, happy.
Okay. So first person or people that pop into your head, that guilt you feel, whose guilt is it?
Probably from my family.
Yeah. So are you willing to step out of your family's story that you need to work really, really hard to receive anything?
Yes. Absolutely.
Are you willing to destroy the belief that you will disrespect and shame your family if you receive lots for not working
Yes, cognitively, yes.
hard? So you have to look at it this way. If you start really enjoying your life and you don't have to work that hard all the time and you just start making lots of money and you're fully taken care of by the universe, it's not an insult or disrespecting your family. It's saying, look, there's another way. Why don't you come along for the ride? Why don't you guys pick up on this too?
Mm-hmm.
And it's up to them to say, okay, I'll do that. Or no, I love the way things are, so I'm just going to be very, very upset with you. And I'm going to keep working hard and not being happy because, you being happy and having a fun life really, really insults my beliefs of being miserable and working hard and struggling all
Yes, absolutely.
the time. Right? So, okay. Oh, there it is. So, are you willing to destroy the belief that you can't have it easy when other people have it hard? Ow. Ouch.
Yes.
Ooh. Okay, how's that feel?
Much better. I do feel like there's still a thing connected to, I feel like I'm drawing out my divorce in order to prolong the settlement.
Mm-hmm.
And I know that my ex is willing to sign. I think I've been sabotaging myself in those areas so that he doesn't, so that I don't have to feel taken care of.
Okay.
And obviously there's like, emotional stuff attached to that. But I feel like I'm at the place where I want to stop that. I want to break that stuff up and leave that behind. And, so I'd love your help with that.
Okay. So are you willing to destroy the belief that it's better to stay safely undivorced than to step into the unknown of being completely separated?
Yes. Yes.
Ooh. Are you willing to destroy the belief that it's better for things not to end?
Yes.
Okay, how's that?
Very good. Very light.
Cool. Hey, this is Shiraz. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. And you can check out upcoming events at www.energeticmagic.com. And remember, be well, be aware, and be magical.